I've taken everything out of the cage so he can't hurt himself. And I'm using a hanky because it's a lot thinner, because Elvis is only a canary, so he doesn't need a thick towel. We can... Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get him safely in there before I actually take him out of the cage, I think. Anyway, here we are. And holding him for an examination. And with his wing, I can pull that out there. I would trim these ones here, back to here, making sure I didn't get the blood only to there. Okay, right. He's got his little foot under here. I just get it by the... There we are. He's already got a band on. And his chest, I can feel his little bone, his keel bone. And he's not fat, but he's not skinny. He's quite healthy, happy enough. Very well behaved. Yeah. What else do we have to do? Got to give you some oral medication. So, hold still. Okay, so it's quite a big syringe that. Oh, good boy. In the mouth, if we can. That's it. Good boy. Here we are, Elvis. I'll pop him back in here. Not too distressed.